Right now, you probably feel behind. Behind in life, behind in career, behind in relationships. Everyone else seems to be moving faster, louder, happier. But what if I told you this feeling isn't failure? What if it's growth, just not the kind people celebrate online? Stoics and psychologists agree on one thing. Before elevation there is detachment. Before clarity there is confusion. Before becoming someone new, you outgrow who you used to be. Psychology calls this phase identity disruption. When old goals stop motivating you, old friendships feel heavy, old routines feel meaningless. You think you're losing direction, but in reality, you're losing alignment with an old version of yourself. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "No longer wander at hazard, for neither wilt thou read thy own memoirs, nor the acts of the ancient Romans." In simple terms, stop measuring your life with someone else's ruler. Feeling behind often means you've stopped chasing shallow wins. Growth feels lonely because not everyone can come with you, and that hurts more than people admit. Seneca warned, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you." Psychology explains this as social pruning. As your values change, certain connections naturally fall away. Not because you're better, but because you're different now. Silence replaces small talk. Depth replaces noise. And suddenly, you don't fit where you once belonged. That's not loss. That's evolution. There's a phase in growth where nothing looks impressive. No applause, no validation, just internal rewiring. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." Psychology calls this identity consolidation, when you stop performing and start becoming. You don't explain yourself anymore. You don't rush timelines. You don't chase approval. You're not behind. You're rebuilding the foundation most people never touch. Here's the truth. People who never outgrew their old life will never understand your new one. Your calm makes them uncomfortable. Your distance feels like rejection. Your silence feels like arrogance. But it's none of those things. It's self-respect. Marcus Aurelius said it best. The opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know anything about the subject. And the subject is your life. So if life feels slow, if progress feels invisible, if you feel disconnected from who you used to be, don't panic. You're not falling behind. You're outgrowing your old life. And growth like that, it's quiet. It's uncomfortable. But it's irreversible.